monsoon season sets in, residents of Kerala are bracing themselves for moderate to light rainfall in the coming days. The state, known for its lush greenery and backwaters, is no stranger to the capricious nature of the weather. The fluctuating weather patterns often keep meteorologists on their toes and residents on high alert. So let's take a clear look at the sudden climate change. Here's a special report from Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi, with you. The Kerala Disaster Management Authority has predicted moderate rainfall in the districts of Thiruvananthapuram, Alappuzha, Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, and Mallapuram on Friday. Light rainfall is expected in the remaining districts of Kerala. As per the latest update from the authority, moderate rainfall is anticipated in one or two places in Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, and Mallapuram districts, while light rainfall is expected in one or two places in all other districts of Kerala. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) reported that a well-marked low-pressure system over the central Bay of Bengal has developed into a depression as of 5:30 a.m. today. The IMD stated that it is likely to move northeastwards and intensify into a cyclone over east central Bay of Bengal by the morning of the 25th. Subsequently, it is expected to move nearly northwards and intensify into a severe cyclone by the evening of the 25th. The IMD also mentioned that while continuing to move nearly northward, it is highly probable to cross the Bangladesh and adjoining West Bengal coast between Sagar Island and Kepura around midnight on 26th as a severe cyclone storm. Meanwhile, Thiruvananthapuram has been facing heavy rainfall for several days, resulting in significant rises in local rivers and concerns about potential flooding. The city has been grappling with waterlogging due to continuous downpours since May 18th. As Kerala prepares for the upcoming rainfall and the brewing cyclone in the Bay of Bengal, vigilance and readiness are of utmost importance. By staying informed, planning ahead, and taking necessary precautions, residents can navigate through the unpredictable weather patterns with resilience and caution. Let us all hope for the safety and well being of everyone in the region during this challenging time.